Okay, so this week's board challenge, we had this, that when we run it, let me clear the console, when we run it, we can see that on line 8, we have Annie, because we are defining it on line 7, but then we delete it, and I think Panos is trying to access the room, yes. Hi, Panos. Okay, so
Hi, Panos.
we are deleting on line 9 the property,
Panos.
the property name, and afterwards on line 10 we are accessing the property name from user 2, and it's not only not undefined, but we are getting Peter from user 1, and my question was why, and the answer is because user 1 is the prototype of user 2. And then I asked you, what does this function do? What does this method do? And basically it creates a new object assigning us a prototype that you put inside the parentheses. It can take another argument that are the rest of the properties, but to keep it simple, let's keep it like this. Then the next question was, we said that user 1 is the prototype of user 2. So what is the prototype of user 1? And is the object prototype. And we are going to check it in a moment. And then what is the prototype of the object prototype? It's null. We're going to check it as well. And then I asked, what is the prototype of an array? An empty array is the array prototype. And the prototype of the array prototype is the object prototype, because the array prototype is an object. Yeah, and that was it. And then the last question was, if I wanted to print on the console the prototype of user 2, how can I do it? So there are two ways, as far as I know. One is user the dunder proto. If we do this, now we run it, I'm going to get user 1, that is the prototype. And another way is object dot get prototype of and user 2, and this is going to be the same result, the user 1. So now let's check what is the prototype of an array, an empty array. So if we do this, I'm going to get all the methods that we can use in an array. That is the array prototype. And now, if I do this, if I do, sorry, array. If I console log this, okay, I can do that. But if I console log here, it is. And this is the object prototype. And yeah, and that was basically it. So now, if we check the prototype of the object prototype, it's going to be null. And the way to check it is by doing this object.prototype. And then we do the dunder proto. And this is going to be, oops, I need a parenthesis somewhere. Yeah, I need another one. Oh, because I'm doing, okay, let me fix this. No, If I do this, we can see that it's null, right? So what else? So basically, the proto is deprecated. It's something that was included by the browsers that wasn't part of the specification of JavaScript. On 2015 was included in NX, but as something that should be there to keep backwards compatibility. So we can say that it's included, but it's deprecated, and they recommend to use the object.get prototype of. And also this dunder, that stands for double under. So this basically is telling JavaScript that this property is private. So that's why when we do console.log empty object, for instance, there's nothing there, but if we do this, we check that is there, and actually is there because we can use it. And the dunder proto from the prototype is different. So it means that this property is from this object. And that was it. I don't know. Any questions? No? Okay. So if you don't have any questions, I'll stop recording.